Tonight, new developments in the Camp Mystic tragedy in Texas. Separate lawsuits have been filed alleging gross negligence over the flash floods that killed more than 24 young campers. One of the suits accuses the camp of housing girls in flood-prone cabins and not following state rules that require evacuation plans. One family accuses the camp's management of putting profits over safety. The family says they hope the lawsuit pushes the camp to address flood risks in the area and create safety protocols.
And the camp refuses to acknowledge, that 27 girls passed away, and they're focused on opening a new camp, and they're focused on revenue, and let's, open Cypress Lake and create new memories when, 26 families lost their children and there's still a missing child out there. We would like for them to acknowledge they made some mistakes, and we would like for them to say our daughters' names.
Each lawsuit seeks more than $1 million in damages. Camp attorneys say staff did their best once the warnings came through during an unprecedented disaster. Camp Mystic previously said it will reopen next summer with new safety protocols in place.